from my from my monitoring, because I monitor both events. I was monitoring the birthday celebration.
Birthday.
Yeah, and also the I mean the rallies and demonstration. On the other hand, I was monitoring his visit, the Hexet. But I think the narrative of the visit was saying that, the United States is affirming the its iron, quote unquote, ironclad relationship with the United States through the MDT, or what you call the Mutual Defense Treaty. That's the message. But as to the details of it, there was none. The coverage of the visit was very less, and at the same time, I think we only know that he visited Malacanang, and he had talks with the President Marcos Jr., and then with the Defense Secretary and the AFP Chief Broner. So that's it. And other than that, not much. But again, the narrative that was painted in public was America is backing up the Philippines. When you talk about the South China Sea issue, America or the United States will be sending or deploying high-level military assets to support the Philippines, especially when you talk about is the South China Sea dispute with China. And we have that ironclad, quote unquote, relationship because of the MDT. However, one thing though that we have to remember, when it comes to this MDT, and when it comes to this support of the so-called ironclad relationship of the United States and the Philippines, when you talk about defense and military, it's very ambiguous. I'm not kidding, Fernando and
Mm.
Jerry. Ambiguous. They are good in this making this statement, but in action,
Mm.
I'm not kidding. There's none. Everything is, but they're good also in arming and militarizing us against China and pushing us to the brink, to jump off the cliff. They're good at this. But actual help, and if we're already at the brink, I don't think they will be there for us. I don't believe that the United States will die for the Philippines. I don't believe that. That's really not the case. But I believe that they will push us to the wall, where they will push us to jump off the cliff for their strategic interests.